I have old perfumes that I don't use. Actually, I got them about 10 years ago. I don't use it because it smells like alcohol so much. So I decide to make them as diffusers. So all you need are nipper and diffuser sticks. Open the bottle and place a nipper top of the perfume and cut the edge of the pipe. Now you just peel the foil. Then you can reach the pipe, so take it out. So you are gonna place diffuser sticks. I got mine from Amazon. So take few out and place them in a perfume.